Hello, beautiful souls. It is I, Simply Candace, coming to you live from the snowstorm. It is January 2nd, and I don't care. We're out here because I have to go grocery shopping today for my new vegetarian diet, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. New year, new me. Who this? Hello, beautiful souls. My name is Candace, and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. So I'm here at my local Myers, and I know a lot of people might be like, why is she turning vegetarian? Because you guys, I'm on my spiritual journey and meat really disgusts me right now. And by the way, my Myers is different than every other Myers that you've probably been to. It has really, really good, like, organic food. You guys are gonna see. So let's go. So look, you guys, what I'm about to show you in the middle of the winter blizzard storm. So look, they got dragon fruit, mangoes, they got star fruits, pomegranates, as well as they got pineapples and kiwis and coconuts. And then this fruit is called fuyu. It looks like a tomato. Look, y'all, they have cherries in the dead middle of winter. One of my favorite and a good deal. You guys, I want to be silly and ask somebody would they record me doing like something silly. I don't know. We'll see if I could do it. Excuse me.
Yeah,
Can you record a video for me from my TikTok? Just hold it and record it for me. It's already recording.
Okay. What are we doing
Eat
here?
healthy for the new year. Now let's start. You guys, I embarrassed myself. Okay. So look, you guys, right here they have like the vegan meat. Goji berries, that's a superfood. Dates, dragon fruit, and acai. Dragon fruit, acai, watermelon. Really good. This is for tacos, you guys. And then this is like beef beyond. All this is imitation meat right here. Meatless chicken nuggets. No GMOs, no soy, excellent source of protein. Okay. Look at all these nuts. You know, nuts are a great source of protein. All this. They have pecans, cashews, they have pumpkin seeds, almonds, trail mix, a whole bunch of different nuts, and it goes on and on and on. You guys, these are sriracha covered almonds. That is crazy. So chia seeds are a really good source of protein, fiber, and omega-3s, as well as hemp seeds. But I'm already up on all the hemp seeds and chia seeds already at the house. I'm out this joint, so let's see what I got when I get home. It's dark.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
So you guys, I am back from the grocery store. Hey, soul family, hey. And all of the groceries are right here behind me. And you guys, I forgot to tell you that I was vegetarian for 1 year and pescatarian for 5 years. That's meaning only eating seafood. And when I got pregnant with my daughter, I started back eating meat. So she's 3 years old. So it's been like 4 years now, including when I was pregnant, you guys. And I really kind of don't know like how, like what I ate and how to even start back. So this is like my first attempt, but I feel like I did really good. So let's check out what I got. So we have this whole table full of food, but we're gonna start back here. So right here I have this tropical berry frozen for my smoothies. And this one is berries and mango. And then right here, I got this meatless nuggets, and it's like no GMOs, no soy, and an excellent source of protein, which is really great. And then I got this stuff for the tacos, because you know I love tacos, and tacos are a really healthy, delicious meal for me. You know, I put avocados and everything on it. And then this is like some beef, Beyond Beef meat, and I could use this to make spaghetti if I wanted to. And then I have frozen watermelon for my smoothies. And then right here, this one looked really good, so I was like, let me try that out. This is buffalo chicken tenders, so I love spicy, so I'm excited about that. And then I had this before. They sell this at Trader Joe's, one of my other 4 favorite grocery stores. I love Aldi's and Trader Joe's. But this one is like a plant-based sausage. This is really, really good. So I got 2 of those. And then right here, I got the Jack Annie. This is sausage. This is vegan. This is whole plant. And then right here, this is a source of protein like nuts and cranberries. So this is really good for you, like to get your protein in. Because I know like they can be like, how you getting protein from all this stuff I'm eating? And then this is some pollo. This is like a fruit. This is like, it looks like a tomato, but I never had it, so I'm really excited to try that. Let's go over here. I have my kombuchas. You know, kombuchas is really good for the gut. This is like a pop substitute for me. I got the watermelon flavor and I got the pineapple flavor. Both of those are my favorite flavors. And then I got something new, you guys. This is called Olap. It's like a pop, but it's really good for you. Like it says, it's a probiotic, plant fiber, no GMOs. I was like, give me that when I saw that. So that's exciting. I got that in strawberry. And then this is ginger beer and orange squirt. So that looks really good. And then I got my young avocado for my salads. Tomatoes, of course. Cucumbers. And then these are really good. I had these last time. These are like dill pickle slices. These are a real good snack. And then I got it in the spicy ones too. And I got a whole bunch of those. And then if you guys have never had, I drink coffee. So if you guys never had the dairy-free creamer, it's so, so good. And this one is caramel macchiato. So I got 2 of those. And then I got the marinara to make my zoodles. That's a zucchini bowl, which they didn't have zucchini, but I used the sausage with the spaghetti sauce and make the zucchini stuff. And then I have dragon fruit right here, frozen dragon fruit. This is for my smoothies. And then I have a protein bar right here. You guys, is this a good one? I think it's really good. This one looks good. This is a start for now. And then I have my tortillas for my tacos, cheese for the eggs that I got because my daughter loves to eat eggs in the morning time with the cheese. These are organic, so those are really nice. Then I got me some romaine lettuce to make me a nice little salad. So I could use like the tomatoes, onions, cucumbers and stuff for a salad and tacos and stuff like that. And then you guys, look, dragon fruit. So I got 4 dragon fruits right there, which is gonna be so delicious. And then I got me a pizza, you guys. Vegetarian, you know, I'm not gonna be eating healthy every day. So sometimes when I don't feel like cooking or making my meal prepping and stuff, I'm gonna pop this right in the oven. And then right here I have Brussels sprouts. And then I have a red onion. And then, you know, they had them cherries on deck, and I love my cherries. And like I said, this Myers is amazing. I don't know about you guys Myers, but this one is so amazing. And then right here I have carrots and celery. So this is a really good snack to dip like my French in there. And then I have some swirled raisin bread for my daughter. She loves to eat like, you know, her eggs with the bread in the morning time. Then I have me some bananas. And of course I have another snack right here. This is some popcorn, really, really good. And I have some more popcorn right here. My daughter loves popcorn, kettle corn, and I love popcorn as well. And then I can't forget my chocolate. I love dark chocolate, you guys. It's something about that dark chocolate that does something for me with the almonds. So this is my first time trying this one, so I'm excited about that. Then last but not least, you can't forget your snacks, you guys. These be bussin'. These be hitting hard. On them days that I just have a sweet tooth, these are so good. And then my daughter loves popsicles, so I try to get like really healthy popsicles for her. So these are made with real fruit juice and really good. Like, it's a fruit bar, and she loves popsicles, so these are really good for her. So I'm excited about that. So you guys, that was my Myers vegetarian grocery haul. That I got all this good stuff. You guys, let me know what you think about all this stuff, because you guys, I'm very new to this vegetarian stuff. As far as like, I feel like I don't know what to do or what to get, but I feel like I did an amazing job. But if you have any recommendations, please let me know down below. My favorite stores, by the way, is Aldi's and Trader Joe's. And now I'm really starting to fall in love with Myers. So if anybody is on this journey of like becoming a vegetarian, just do it. Just do it, you guys. You know, live in the moment, live in the now, just do it. And if anybody's wondering how I'm getting my protein and stuff like that, you just seen it, you know what I'm saying? Because I like to keep this booty fat, you know what I'm saying? And so I have to feed this thing, you know, so that's what I'm gonna do. So if you like this video, all about my vegetarian grocery haul, celebrating 2022, starting it off right, then hit that thumbs up button right now, right now, because I'm gonna be coming through with all the good health and fitness, talking about that internal beauty exuding outwardly, because it's nothing about that internal beauty shining through for me. So subscribe, because guess what, I'm gonna keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming, yeah. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you are perfectly human. Yeah, shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw them hearts. Gang. Perfect gang and no gang, let's connect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am wishing everyone a wonderful day, a wonderful year 2022. This is our year to succeed, to success. If anybody wants to do anything, this is now the time. I am sending everyone tons of love. You guys, I answer all of my questions down below, all of them. So ask me anything. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. This is bussin', y'all. It's a hitter. It's a hitter.
I love it. You love it? Yeah. It's on my phone.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.